Hey Skill Squad, running late, missed your stop, or got on the wrong bus? We've all been there, but not anymore. Today, you're leveling up your commuter game. Here's how to master public transport like a pro. Use the right app. Download local transit apps and a backup like Google Maps. Enable live tracking for real-time bus or train locations. You can also use Move It or transit apps for delays, alerts, and alternate routes. Then, save your route. Save your daily commute to your phone so you don't have to re-enter it every day. Label it school commute or karate class route to find it fast. Screenshot it. Take a screenshot of your route and schedule in case you lose service or your app crashes. Save it in a commute album in your photos. Catch the one before yours. Always aim for the earlier bus or train. If you miss it, you've got a backup. Do this because it's less crowded and there's more seats. Set a transit alarm. Use your phone to alert you 5 minutes before your stop so you don't miss it while texting or zoning out. Avoid rush hour if you can. If you have flexible arrival time, leave a little earlier or later to avoid the crowded window. Especially true if you need a seat to study or eat on the way. Keep a transit kit. Mini umbrella, power bank, headphones, extra mask, hand sanitizer, $5 emergency cash. Fit it in a pouch you can grab even if you switch backpacks. Always carry a transit card and digital option. Some systems glitch. Keep both a physical card and an app on your phone. And screenshot your QR code just in case. Wear layers. Trains and buses can swing from freezing cold to super hot. A hoodie solves both. Here's a biggie. Never ever share your route publicly. And do not post your exact commute online. It's super important to keep your routine private, just to stay on the safe side. Offline entertainment can totally save your sanity. Download podcasts, YouTube videos, music, or even ebooks in advance, because Wi-Fi isn't guaranteed. So it's better to be prepared. Don't hog the aisle seat. If the bus is full, just move over. Don't make people ask. It's honestly just nicer that way. You miss your stop? Stay calm. Get off at the next stop and use your map app to find a new route back. It's really not the end of the world. If your ride is super late, don't just stand there. Open the app, check for alternate buses, or message someone to let them know what's up. And hey, if your bus is full, just hang in there. You're not just commuting anymore. You're mastering the game. Remember, public transport doesn't have to be chaotic. With a little strategy, it can totally be your secret weapon. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome hacks and advice. See you on the next ride.